A good start to the week ahead of Trump's inauguration. Both the Nifty and Sensex saw good gains, with the Nifty, in fact, coming very close to that 23,400 mark, clocking in a triple digit up move. The broader end of the markets were outperforming once again. So you had both the Nifty mid and small cap indices gaining somewhere around 1% or thereabouts. Barring the auto and FMCG sectors, all of the other pockets ended the day in the green. Of course, the gains were largely being led by financials. So both the PSU Bank and Bank Index gained anywhere between 1.5 to 2% apiece. Kotak Bank, that was leading from the front today, that stock gained somewhere around 10% on the back of good set of numbers and brokerage upgrades as well. Aside of that, you had Wipro, that stock gained somewhere around 6.5% or thereabouts. Good set of numbers in the third quarter, and the street clearly rewarding the stock for that. On the flip side, you had life insurers in a spot of bother. SBI Life was the top Nifty loser today, and Trent continues its losing streak today as well. In fact, the stock was the second top Nifty loser in today's session. In other earnings impact, you had stocks like Zomato. In fact, Zomato saw a 7.5% cut. Reported numbers in the last half an hour of trade. The company's quick commerce division reported an EBIT loss of 30 crore rupees, and I think reacting to that, the stock was down 7.5% or thereabouts. Aside of that, telecom stocks were in focus. Reports suggest that the government may be looking at a significant portion of AGR dues, which is why stocks like Tata Tele as well as Vodafone Idea were up and about. In fact, both the stocks gained anywhere between 9 to 16% apiece. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.